Mama akwaba wofre me Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo enano ye waha ena Sami Jemfi a communications officer de ma NDC ama yoko no de ensem bi betu dwa. Na Sami ne nsem ode betu dwa ina ne se eye ho metre Volta region aye NDC for almost stronghold you know. Eye akwanye wo Volta region a enye nyina main roads including inner roads aye wo Volta region ase no NDC amayoko no omo aje nyina asa na omo efia bemu na ebeto odwa no na Ghana fu bi kasa omo se brasa me okase wo anche na Addo TV omo ko koye interview ene amanfo ekokasai efa omo akwan ho na ensem a hofo eka anya asem keto akra omo kire se omo atu aba ma NDC omo NDC abo mo abro na his excellency Nana Akuffo Addo bai se ne de bia me kasa eba na kwan a obi enu obetumi his excellency Nana Akuffo Addo no ono ena wa yo omo akwan nyina ama omo na omo akwan bi wo hwa na nye to omo de aseda ema his excellency Nana Akuffo Addo a ene Sami Jemfi ene amanfo twa bon ne se Sami onka no kware wo so wa to bi din so ye ba wo laya na wankasa Sami no so ye Sami laya kese pa anya asem keto akra na efia poku avim lady ende onankasa wa to ne no mutu a o kire se eba no akwan e wo Volta region dia his excellency Nana Akuffo Addo wa ya de papa we yi akwan e wo NDC for almost stronghold anya asem keto akra na this is my question say Volta region for no NDC for in the almost seme domo ano ne say Ashanti region NPP enya de papa bia wo nti NPP for sorry Asante for nto aba enfema NPP for the question I am asking they say na Volta region monso NDC for the papa ben ena wa omo aye e wo Volta region for all these years am ato abade amomo see defense keke kra no omo ntimi ye mamo nti se NDC for no nde omo ka se mana Asante for nto aba ma NPP for a monso mo ye den enye NPP kra monto aba enfe mo no omo abaye mo akwan de amamo nti 2024 about you and over to you mo pa akwan ana mo pa me party nti me fia poku a e de etodwa
catch them say onya sansem no because I thought it was very childish because I want multi-party democracy I wouldn't say na nanom omo bre pants na omo de constitution way back so it will be very very defeatist say ya kase be multi-party democracy now say obi kotoma party popobia sebe oya boa that's very ignorant comment and me ma catch na atia no me kwa me tia no di matem but me ni anon minister sa no it is okay but mo bi antu di na tem pamoto munja no why
now that's fine. Now Captain Smart, me this na first say culture of silence or Ghana and na do be to be can argue. Sometimes journalists why I don't know say yeah ti omo no yeah adwina da won. Nti omo ka bibia say no omo radio sini nti omo ka bibia authoritative yam fa ne sa keke. Ye na ye tie ne ye ndwere ana ye nye your own analysis. Sometimes it's amazing, but Sister Fia, it speaks to something concerning about more professional. And I think Paul Adumochu has been trying to drum home that point. Say it appears people think that journalism is just being on camera and talking. It's a very difficult job. What's in professor? Because the kind of research you have to do, the kind of fact finding in your as I say, we are judge. You have to gather everything and be able to speak like a very intelligent person. In the eyes of you must know everything from health to sports to so across the board. Even though we're specializing in the other go for the radio or the microphone, I know it's and not just a journalist. I don't think so. Ghana journalists could I don't think that's the kind of training they give them there. And the who Ghana is very appalling. And we know the best ones in the media. We know people who genuinely make mistakes in their profession. We can see all of that. And we know those people. I'm not even tuned to listen to it, to just waste my energy.
I think you are complaining about the media, Juma. Say, for in fact, the reason why we want to stop this work because of instance, I say, Yama Juma anymore, Yama Bafom. And me and them kasa so many times from multimedia. Yeah, cases here the court na kasa. So sometimes
I think
comments be too
it's really appalling.
And that is completely away from your ethics. Yeah. But no, make an concern a boy, you know. Yeah, you made mistake.
Yeah. Anyway, Parliament to be a copy of man there was and pen 42 be no movie Parliament because some of the stand and uncle for their born as a group in the you can't see maturity in the way people are analyzing issue. People just want to be quick to come to the media and the hasty conclusion, no fact-based evidence. As if say we are just stupid people in the it's becoming very appalling. Into which I cannot cry to go to Parliament and they are getting out because of some of these things. Because they cannot afford to cope with some of these attitudes in Parliament in other places. This is I think I me by Ghana and despite how much I can see that there's a lot of development projects that were going on. I may try some Addo if he Kofodia, I'm afraid be Kukrankan, assess area, or my and I was very impressed because I it was a very normal
white. Me what pass about Akuffo, send me a picture. I was from Chances Hotel, from Chances Hotel enter into Hotel. They was like, wow, what day?
Yeah.
And I was so happy because one of my favorite places is the Volta region. Yeah, so I was so happy.
I was impressed with that. Now, university been no musi one the NDC for MPP for a very nice university opening up the area, and I think that this continuation. Yeah, very beautiful university. Very beautiful one. And Kofodia Brown, me fa Kofodia Township, Kofodia Regional Hospital, or Musi Onum. Very big one. Very big one. And I was very impressed with that regional hospital because I don't have to go to Accra. From Suhum, I can just go to Kofodia if I need health care service. Even Accra, I may go from Suhum to Accra. So I don't have to live in Accra. Just like Abricha, me drive 1 hour 45 minutes. Now I can drive 45 minutes from Suhum to Accra, go and come back and be able to do anything and get out. And that kind of development in your continuation. But maybe as to the vote, sometimes I don't know, I wonder, say, these people say, Ashanti region fund they will not go and vote, but vote for the market because of my input to Juma or voter region. Sometimes and this for no kasa o mu bi so mu na voter for no to o they are mother boy MPP.
No, you are human being. They are recognized as such. Omunya baby decent no mo na. Na onya baby so da at least ya sa training sanudwuma ama watime nya sanudwuma na watime live decent life. This is government that believes and thinks of its youth. Enya mo ano keke. You should demonstrate it by your deed. And he said, "I'm come on, Seminole. See, you refia, almost refilling in a beca. Time when you for any abroad per Jumayano. O president and never born out and 2 man say, oh, maybe the president. Or catch them so on your magician. When you're Juma mom, he again said, say, oh, I cannot put money in your pocket. And then the idea answer. Now, do Danko Akuffo Addo buy a crowd was it there be a said the quality of people is the quality of a nation, is the quality of his people. And he said, yet, my mention any penny be honoma, Sikasamunti school cromunti minko. Say you way, I mono. Most sponsor a rate our Supreme Court to halt it. Someone penny and my free SHS and Koso. More adverts, thousands of adverts, and I'm the bastardizing free SHS. His Excellency, James Essay, onu okuta 2 billion Ghana cedis ya. On fine free SHS. Then they are next.